Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddlin Barbecue. We've got a short video for you today. We're going to do elk smash burger tacos right here on Just Piddlin Barbecue. Stay tuned. There's been some prep work before we get to this point, so I want to catch you up to speed. Right here we have 4-ounce meatball patties, and these meatballs are made up of 1 pound of ground elk combined with 1 pound of 7327 ground beef. That's from Wild Fork Foods. We're using the 7327 meat to fat ratio because the ground elk is really lean, and so we're going to use the fat in that 7327 to combine with the lean ground elk to come up with a nice equal patty. Also, I thinly sliced a sweet Vidalia onion and went ahead and caramelized that on the griddle of the Yoder Smoker YS640S. That's what we're cooking on today. Now for the smash burger tacos, there's 50 different ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. A lot of people go ahead and put the meat on the tortilla and then turn it upside down and cook it. I'm just not a big fan of putting the raw meat on the tortilla and then cooking it that way. So we're going to do it traditional smash burger style to begin with, and then we're going to top with the tortilla and go ahead with that method. Do whatever method that works best for you, but this is how we're going to do it. Now secondly, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. You can do it cheeseburger style and go with those flavors, or you can try to go with the taco flavors. But today we're going to go with the burger flavors and see how it turns out. Let's get started. All right, that griddle is screaming hot. We'll get one of our 4-ounce meatballs, go right in the middle, and we're going to smash it really good. And we're going to take now let's season it up with some Grande Gringo. This is really going to be the only taco type flavor that we have on it. Now to that we're going to add the caramelized onions. Go ahead and add those on there now. Maybe a little bit more. Can never have too many of those. Now we're going to add the cheese. Now after we add the cheese, I'm going to use that cheese as the glue to hold that tortilla on there, and I'm going to give it one more smash. I'm going to close the lid and let it build the crust on that burger. We're probably going to go for maybe another 30-45 seconds, and then we're going to see how it turned out when we flip it over. Let's see what kind of crust we've got on the other side. Beautiful crust. Get that little bit right on top. I'm going to let that crisp up for maybe about 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and then it's going to be taco time. And here we go. Now, because we're going with cheeseburger flavors, I'm going to put my favorite condiments on what I would do as a cheeseburger. I'm going to go in with a little mustard. Going to go in with a little ketchup. A little bit of dill pickles all the way across. And a little bit of lettuce. Fold it up like a taco. And I want you to look at that. All right, it's still hot as fire, but I'm gonna take one for the team for you guys. Brandy says I take too big of a bite, so I'm gonna take a little smaller bite. But this is gonna be good, I think. All right. First things first, we will be doing this often because we try to do keto as much as we can. Well, we try to stay away from the buns, but I'm not a big fan of the lettuce wrap deal. But this, with the low carb tacos, the low carb tortillas, fantastic. It tastes exactly like a cheeseburger should taste, except it's got a little bit of Mexican flair with the Grande Gringo. I can't believe it's been so long since I tried these. Yoder Smokers YS640 performed well again. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment, tell me what you would do differently, and until next time, we'll be piddling. See you guys. All right, let's get this smash burger. Smash. Got any on my face?